So cantaloupes. To choose a good cantaloupe, I try to smell it to see if it smells like a cantaloupe. And there's a lot of different ways to process a cantaloupe, but I'll show you the way that I do it. So first, I top and tail. Then I give it a good peel with my knife. Make sure to get all the green bits. Okay, so now you've got a peeled cantaloupe. So now I want to slice it in the middle so that I can take out all the seeds on the inside. So now I'm going to cut this guy in half so that we've got a fourth of a cantaloupe here. And I'm just going to go in and do our pull slice here. Okay. And that's how you cut cantaloupe. Citrus fruits. It's actually really easy to choose a good citrus fruit. All you need to do is give it a good scratch and smell. And the more it smells like an orange, the tastier it'll be. So zesting. The zest of a citrus fruit is actually really useful. It can be used in a lot of different things, from salad dressings to whipped cream. It's really versatile. So let me show you a little bit of how to zest a citrus fruit. So typically people will zest like this. They'll zest it like this, but it's actually really hard to get the whole orange like that. So what I like to do is I like to hold my zester in my right hand, and exactly like the same way that we did with the apples and potatoes when we were peeling them, use your thumb as an anchor here so that you can go all the way around like this. And you get the whole pith, you get the whole zest. And you never want to go more than twice in the same place because it gets really bitter. Okay, and so that's how you get the zest of your orange. So now let's actually process the orange. So what you want to do is you want to start out by just topping and tailing. So you want to go just deep enough so that you get a pretty solid flesh there. Okay, and go all the way down. And so this creates a foundation for what you're about to do next. And what you're gonna do next is you're actually gonna peel the orange with your knife, not with your hands, so that you get rid of all the white pithy parts there. Okay, so we're gonna go deep enough, go one more. All right. And what this does is it creates a much more intense flavor of the orange because you're getting rid of all the bitter pithy stuff. You gotta make sure to take as little off of the flesh as possible so that you can save most of the fruit. All right, so now you have an orange that's peeled fully. So at this point, there's two different ways that you can slice it for serving. One way to do it is a slice like this, so you get nice little circles of oranges. And the other way is to just slice in the half like this, which I'll show you. And once you get down here, you want to take out this white bit here. It's not very good. It doesn't taste very good. Okay, and you can just slice for serving. So using the techniques that I just showed you to peel citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, you can make nice fruit platters like this.